Hi, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Just wanted to send you a walk-around video of the 4Runner you inquired about today. It is the SR5 Premium model, which gives you sunroof, leather interior, factory navigation, heated seats, and the very, very famous and reliable 4.0 engine. Back window here does drop down all the way. And combine that with the sunroof open, it's almost like a convertible in it. 4Runners are extremely reliable, long-lasting, low maintenance, so operating costs are really low. You get 2 years of free factory maintenance with it. And I'll show you a bit of the interior here. All-weather floor liners, nice big touchscreen, on-demand, four-wheel drive, and like I said, the heated seats and leather interior. Let me know when you'd like to come in and take a look at it. You can reach me at 253-394-0046, and we do need to work by appointment whenever possible. Again, 253-394-0046 for Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thanks, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.